This video tutorial I will explain how web services work. Web services are nothing but services which are available over the web, and web services enable communication between two applications. Here you can see the application which is developed using Java, and it is running on Windows operating system, and this application uses Oracle database. And here you can see the application which is developed using .NET, and this application running on Linux operating system, and this application uses MySQL database. And using web services we can enable communication between these two applications. Here you can see the service provider, which is also called a web service provider. Web service provider develop the web services and make the web services available over the internet. And here you can see the service consumer or client, and this service consumer consumes the web services which are exposed by the server or service provider, and the client send a request to the server, and server receives the request and process the request and send response back to the client. And this is the high level communication between service consumer and service provider. To enable communication between client and server, we need two things. The first one is medium, and second one is format. We can take the real-time example, like while speaking to your friend over the telephone, medium is phone, and format is common language, which is English, so that both of you can understand. And in the same way, in web services, medium is internet, on which communication of two application will happen. And web services uses HTTP protocol, and common format is XML or JSON. So the common format XML or JSON can be understood by both client and server. And here you can see the client which sends request to the server using the medium internet, and web services uses HTTP protocol, and the request format will be XML or JSON, and server receives the request, process the request, and sends a response back to the client using the medium internet and HTTP protocol, and the format of the response will be XML or JSON, so that the client can understand. There are two types of web services. The first one is SOAP web service, and the second one is RESTful web service. Acronym for SOAP is Simple Object Access Protocol. Medium of SOAP web service is HTTP protocol, and it always uses POST method, and common format is XML. The request goes from client to server is XML, and the response goes from server to client is XML. Acronym of REST is Representational State Transfer. Medium of REST web service is HTTP protocol, and it supports methods like post, get, put, delete, and so on. And the format of REST web service is XML or JSON or text, and so on. So compared to SOAP web service, REST web service is more flexible. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.